Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making lemon no-bake cookies. Let's get started. So I was on social media scrolling and I saw lemon no-bake cookies and I was like, oh my god, you can make other kinds of no-bake cookies. I need those right now. Let's go to the store. Yeah, let's do this. I'm excited. I prefer a box grater for lemon zesting, and you're just gonna gently do one of these. Remember, you only want the top layer, so that's gonna be your challenge here. If you start to see white, you're going too far. Try to stop with pale yellow. And while you might be able to do it with one lemon, I'm going to use two just as a safety. It's about a tablespoon of lemon zest. Most of the zest of 2 lemons. Then we need 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. So we're going to roll our lemon, try to get the juice ready to come out of it. I'm going to position my juicer right over my measuring glass. This is almost 1/4 cup with a whole lemon, so I'm just going to do a little tiny bit more. That'll take me there. And use this one for a cocktail or something, I don't know. Now I'm over on my stovetop. Medium to large saucepan, medium heat, and I've dropped my stick of butter in. This is unsalted butter. Okay, now I'm pouring in my 1/4 cup of milk. Along with my 3/4 cup sugar. I'm also going to eyeball a pinch of kosher salt, throw that in there. And you're going to want to stir this until it starts to boil. And you're going to let it boil for about a minute. Okay, once it boils, you're stirring continuously for 1 minute. Cutting the heat. Throwing in our tablespoon of lemon zest. Our 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Give that a stir around. Should be turning a lovely yellow color. Dropping in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Giving that a little stir around. And now our 2½ cups of quick cook oats. Okay, now we're going to drop these by dollops onto our parchment paper. These do not look nearly as bound as their peanut buttery, chocolatey cousins. We will see how they turned out. Right now I am feeling anxious, as though this might be a failure episode. It's been a while since we've had one of those. Now you go ahead and press in some white chocolate chips. That was too many. Use however many you want. Doesn't matter. Still feeling anxious. That's okay. Actually, given the amount of chocolate chips, these might be the preferred amount. Now we're going to wait like half an hour. See if they set. If they set, we're good. So it took more than half an hour, but I did get them to firm up. They're actually pretty tasty. If you like lemon, very lemony cookie. That said, I think I prefer the chocolate peanut butter ones, but these would be great with some coffee or some tea in the morning. They're a bit more crumbly than the chocolate peanut butter variety, but they're still good. I thought this was going to be a failure episode for most of it, so I'm actually very happy. I'm going to eat these probably within the next day or so. Okay, that's it. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.